So if you have questions about number 20, honestly, it probably makes more sense to go back to question 19. But it says, at what tax rate would firm C produce 0 tons of pollution? I mean, the answer is $400, right? Because at $400, which I've already drawn the line for, they never cross it. So they only get $300 of benefit, and that's at 0, right? So at 100 units, they get maybe $175 or $175 of value. So, like sorry, I said 175, 275. So the idea is that like all these numbers, right, 150, 100, 200, or a $0 tax, if it's $0, then firm C produces 900 tons of mercury. If it's 100, then I don't know, it's like 600 tons, right? I mean, like we can keep doing this game, and like at 200 they produce 300 tons. But the short version is that when the price is more than, like the cost that the company incurs is more than the benefit that they get, they just go out of business because the price is too high. That's when they produce 0 pollution. It does get to the idea that you can tax pollution, like fossil fuel companies out of existence. Like that can happen. It would require higher taxes than we currently have.